Hi everyone, welcome to the course C Activity 301. My name is Fan Zheng and you can just call me Fan. So I will be your instructor this summer. I'm the third year PhD student in the learning technology and this is my fifth time to teach this course. I'm so excited to have you in this course. So I trust we will have a great time together in the summer. In this video, I'm gonna give you an introduction for the course content and I'll also give you a basic introduction for the week 1 page. So let's look at the course syllabus. So this course, I designed this course as a project-based course. So I designed 3 projects in this course. Which means you need to finish 3 projects in the 8 weeks. The first project is about web design. So you need to learn some web design tools to design your own website. And the second project is you need to finish a business presentation. You will learn some new presentation tools and then record your business presentation video and submit the video as an assignment. And the last project in this course is a group project. You need to finish a webinar. You will learn some new tools to do a webinar together and then submit the video as an assignment. So the last week is about the social networking and final. You will learn some basic things about the social network sites and then you need to finish your final assignment. So the final assignment of this course is a portfolio. You need to put all of the things you learned and finished in this course into that portfolio, and also you need to write a very short reflection paper and also put the paper in that portfolio. So that's all for this course. Because we only have 8 weeks in the summer semester, so the pace of this course will be very fast. So please take care of all of the deadlines. Please remember the deadlines. So that's all for the basic introduction of this course. So now I'm going to introduce the week 1 page. So in this week, we have 6 tasks in total. The first one is to watch the welcome video. And the second one is to read the course syllabus and 10 tips to success in online education. The course syllabus is very important for you. So please read it very carefully. And the task 3 is to use the Flipgrid tool to do your self-introduction. And this is a tool that many people use to do the video reflection and video sharing. So you need to use your university email to log in and then answer these 3 questions and to introduce yourself to all of your classmates. So the task 4 is to join the Slack. So Slack will be the main discussion forum tools in this course. So we will use Slack a lot in the whole summer semester. So please join it as soon as possible. And the task 5 is about digital literacy. So there will be 2 videos. The first one is a basic introduction video for the digital literacy, and the second video is from TED Talk from one of the professor to talk about the digital literacy. So after watching these 2 videos, you need to use this channel to share your reflections. So please remember that every assignment has its own channel. So please use the right channel to share your reflection. And the last task of the week 1 is a tick table. There are 2 examples, so you can use them as a sample. And then you need to share your technology that you used in those categories. So if you do not have the technology in that category, you can just delete it. So after finishing your tick table, you need to share it in this tick table channel. So that's all for the week 1. So if you have any questions, please send an email to me. I will try to reply it as soon as possible. I hope you will have a great time in this course. So every Tuesday, I will send an email to you. The link to the week page will be available in that email, and also you can use the Canvas to go to the web page. We will have a home page, so you can use the Canvas to go to the front page, and then you will get access to every web page. So I think that's all for the week 1. So if you have any question, please let me know. I will try my best to help you. I trust we will have a great time. Thank you so much.